In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem missing recycle bin in Windows 11. If you have Windows 11 and you cannot find the recycle bin, maybe your icon is hidden. This is the first option. Okay, after you right click on your desktop, select View and select Show Desktop Icon. Okay, even if you already show the icon, the recycle bin is not appear. How to solve this problem? Okay, to solve this problem, you need to right click on the desktop. Okay, make sure you are on the desktop and select Personalize. Okay, after that, you can go to Themes. Just select Themes. Okay, after you go to Themes, you can just click the desktop icon settings here. Okay, select this. After that, maybe you accidentally untick the recycle bin here. If you tick again and click apply, the recycle bin will be appear on your desktop. Okay, let's see. Now you have the recycle bin here. And that's all. Tutorial how to fix a problem the recycle bin is missing in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.